You all placed a bet on me. Huh? You all placed a bet on me.
Not being here?
No, like he said, whoever, like one of those kids, and he's
Oshi and Shorna.
they get $1.
Oh, really? Where they at?
They're up there.
Oshi is wearing a Chinese clothing, and
I saw him.
Shorna is wearing traditional white monk clothing. Lila and Charity. Lila is wearing traditional Hmong clothing, and Charity is wearing traditional Chinese clothing. Fona and Yanyua. Both Fona and Yanyua are wearing traditional green monk clothing. Judy and Anila. Both Judy and Anila are wearing traditional Chinese clothing.
Where's your
Chia and Brittany. Chia is wearing traditional Chinese clothing, and Brittany is wearing striped mom.
I think we're supposed to be back here. I'm videotaping. I know, but there's nobody else.
And then Lisa and Lindsay.
Are not out there. Well, how do we get there?
And Alisa is wearing Thai clothing, and Lindsay is wearing traditional Hmong clothes. Brandon and Jahia. Brandon is wearing traditional Hmong man clothes, and Jahia is wearing traditional Chinese clothes. Mochi and Yulia. Mochi is wearing traditional Hmong man clothes, and Yulia is wearing traditional Hmong man clothes. Goming and Tiffany. Goming is wearing traditional Hmong man clothes, and Tiffany is wearing striped Hmong clothes. Chimua and Jahia. Chimua is